So I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I want to show you how you can trade without any knowledge about crypto arbitrage and still making money. Yeah, so this one is an AI bot that will trade for you. You just have to prompt the bot and the bot will do all the trade for you, to search for opportunity and trade for you. So this bot is going out for $60 for the setup and how to use it. I will video call you personally and show you how to use it. Yeah, and I'm also having a class. I'm having a class this coming 28th of this month. Yeah, 28th of this month. I'm having a class. Yeah, and it's $40 and we're getting free AI bots. Yeah, it's 28th of this month. The fee is $40 and we're getting free AI bots. Yeah, because we'll be talking about AI bots as well. So I'll be giving this it to you for free. Yeah, forgive me. It's midnight and I'm feeling sleepy. Yeah, but I have to do this video for you all. Yeah, so you can see that right now I've shown you how you can deposit on the boat, how to withdraw and stuff. Yeah, so if I come to my wallet here, you can see that we have deposit, we have withdraw, we have to transfer. The moment you want the boat to trade for you, when you deposit into the boat, it will be in a regular wallet. So you just have to go to transfer the money from regular wallet to arbitrage wallet, so that you'll be able to trade. Yeah, so if you come to the arbitrage here, since I'm having $10 account, this $10 account, if I click on trade, it will be trading. I'll be getting 1.3% per every trade. I'll be getting 1.3% per every trade. But if you deposit 30 upwards, I can show you how to trade on 2%. That means we earn 2% per trade. But currently I'm doing 1.3%. So at the moment I will click on start arbitrage, you will see that it will start trading for me. So let me initiate the trade, start arbitrage. So you can see that right now per every trade, since I'm getting 1.3%, so every profit that I'm making is for 0.13 per trade. So it means that the twice trade is for 0.26. Is that them? Yeah. So this bot will search for the opportunity. You can see that right now it's what initializing. So it will search for the available opportunity and trade for you and give you your share. You can see that right now it's preheating. So to do everything for you, then you're good to go. And I've already done videos withdrawing for you all to see. Yeah, I've done videos withdrawing money on these bots. Yeah, I've done a lot of video. You can check my videos on the AI bots. You can see a lot. Yeah, you can deposit and withdraw your money at any time. You can withdraw your profits at any time that you want. Yeah, so I will just show you how to use the bot to trade. How to use the bot to trade. So just like this, and the bot will be trading for you whilst you'll be relaxing. Is that thing? Yeah, no hard work, nothing. Just let the boat work for you, and you just relaxing and enjoying your money. Simple like that. Is that thing? Yeah. So this one is an AI arbitrage bot that trade for you. It trade for you whilst you relax and enjoy your money. Yeah. So it's trading. So you can see that it's trading right. Yeah. So it's trading. It's still trading right. It's still trading. Yeah, so it will be 100%, then it will add up to your wallet. Yeah, you can see that right now I've made 0.8 profit right now. Yeah, but I'm still in the trade. So when I trade, it will be around 7. Yeah. And one thing is, when you're withdrawing your profit, they charge you $1 per on every transaction that you make. So if it's 10 million thousand, they'll still charge you one USDT. You see that thing? Then you copy your VP20 address to here, then you submit withdrawal, just like that, and you withdraw your money straight to your wallet. I've done a lot of videos withdrawing money from the boat to my wallet, and you can also check it out. Yeah, so if you need the boats, you can chat me and let's talk business. Yeah, so I'm Crypto Lord, and if you want to buy this month's class ticket too, the link is in the description, the comment section, and in the bio as well. Just click on it and buy your ticket and meet me, and let's cash out together. I'm Crypto Lord, and I'm out.